Start by visiting our homepage and clicking on Free Trial in the top right corner of the screen, or on the prompt under the header. Enter your company and contact info, then click Sign Up to create an account. After creating your account and confirming your company's basic settings preferences, select Step 2, Integration Sync. Choose SAP Business One as your ERP, then click Next. Enter the SAP Business One server, or a computer that has access to the same network of the server where SAP Business One is running, followed by your user info to complete the quick setup. Upon completion, you should receive an email from support with a URL providing the inSitu Sales SAP Business One connector file needed later. For Step 3, decide whether you want to download our app for either Android or iOS. The rest of the setup will take place on the Integration tab of your admin portal. Making sure SAP Business One is selected, confirm that the information appearing matches what you entered earlier for Step 2 before downloading the configuration file under Options. We're now ready to extract all from the inSitu Sales SAP Business One connector folder you received by email earlier. Make sure these files are extracted to local disk C, as any other location will not work. After the files are extracted, go into inSitu Sales Sync, then Sync Service, and right-click on inSitu Sales Sync Service to view properties. All we need to do here is to unblock the file from security settings. After clicking OK, go back to the inSitu Sales Sync folder and select Sync App Manager, following the same process by right-clicking to view the properties of the inSitu Sales Sync App Manager file and unblocking security. Finally, go back to the inSitu Sales Sync folder and select Setup, right-click Install Service 64, and Run as Administrator. This will install the inSitu Sales Sync service. After this, go back into Sync App Manager, and right-click the Sync App Manager file to Run as Administrator. This will now allow you to open the App Manager program marked with our logo. Choose, select a file, and open the configuration file downloaded from the Integration tab of the admin portal earlier. If it fails to sync, make sure that there's a saved value for every box under Import Data in your portal. If run properly, all values should show OK during a test. After a successful test, select Sync Company. As the information syncs, you should see data appearing in real time in the SAP Business One Integration tab on your admin portal. This process could take a few minutes, so wait until all the data appears and is marked as successful. Now you should be able to your customer and product data imported over from SAP Business One. To set up the app, click Field Rep under the Users tab, which will display the information for registered reps. From this tab, managers are able to control what information and lists each representative can access from their individual app licenses. For this example, we will set the Sales Manager representative account to use the General Warehouse location. After making changes to the portal, remember to sync the app to reflect the updated changes. We are now ready to set up an order for an example company. Select Order from the menu, and begin adding products to the cart from your digital catalog. Once done, move to Checkout to finalize shipping and invoicing information. Immediately after saving the orders, you will see them reflected in the History tab, as well as on the Orders tab of your admin portal. To make sure your order syncs with SAP B1, make note of the number ID shown for the transaction and open your inSitu Sales SAP B1 connector. Go into the Sales Order tab of the connector, click the binoculars icon, enter the number ID for the order, and click Find. This shows that your order has synced with your ERP and can be found on both sides.